As government services to citizens have both multiplied and diversified, so too have the systems required to deliver those services. Since the first generation contact centres in the 1990s, the role of information technology in government has changed dramatically, and so have the expectations of citizens.
It's only by local and regional government providing a new way of engaging with citizens, a new form of communication, new integrated services, a virtual way of providing, as it were, the public offering to the citizen's life, that we can really begin to see that we'll succeed in facing these challenges.
There is a fundamental frustration right at the centre of doing business, the citizen doing business with government. And the frustration arises from the fact that it appears often that different parts of government are completely separated from each other in terms of service provision.
City of Milan is an important economic, financial, social and political city, and has a population of about 1.3 million. The city has named its contact centre project Milano Semplice, Easy Milan, making clear that easy contact is its explicit goal. To achieve this goal, a citizen relationship management project was initiated to integrate front offices, the internet website and a modern service centre.
We're going to need a new system of technology to underpin the way public services, the way representation and the way government is delivered. That new way of doing business, that new circuit board, has come to be called a government service centre. In a sense, it's an idea that we've been waiting for, but it's an idea that has to be realised now before we get to the situation where citizens become disillusioned.
Microsoft's vision is for a government service centre, which is designed to help agencies deliver high-performance citizen service solutions leveraging Microsoft's Citizen Service Platform. The key features of such a government service centre have to cover the operation of both people and processes, and are grouped into 4 areas: frontline contact centre optimisation, electronic citizen communication, core organisational productivity, all underpinned by common platform services. City of Birmingham, Alabama provides services to some 270,000 US citizens. The service centre infrastructure is currently being built using Microsoft Dynamics CRM, integrated with the Geographic Information System, which holds mapping information of the public works and city council districts. When a citizen calls the service centre, Microsoft Dynamics CRM will look up the GIS data to find the correct district of the address.
The only way that we can rise to these challenges is if local and regional governments decide to, as it were, dissolve the institutional fabric and instead to create a citizen-oriented, customer-oriented service offering which is enabled by cyberspace but actually happens in a real public realm.
The municipality of Cuamo in the Caribbean island of Puerto Rico serves the needs of some 40,000 inhabitants. Respond, a service centre solution built on Microsoft Dynamics CRM, improved its response to citizen inquiries. This solution provides the tools they need to create citizen profiles and record all contact with each citizen, such as emails, calls, letters and face-to-face meetings.
And the whole new move towards so-called Government 2.0 is all about joining up government and providing a one-stop shop service for citizens, because increasingly that's what citizens are demanding. They're simply not prepared to put up with what passes for service and is provided by government today.
This expectation has created significant challenges for those governments and agencies involved in frontline service delivery, and who are already struggling to do more with less in order to better meet the needs of their citizens. In the town of Alter in Belgium, the council relies on the Microsoft Citizen Service Platform to deliver services by integrating the local council systems with the national ID card. thus simplifying the experience for citizens as they only need to remember one identity rather than many. This allows the city to provide services both in person and over the internet to local citizens and businesses alike in a seamless manner.
Web 2.0 is a means of achieving joined up government and joining up departmental processes and delivering services in the form the citizens want them delivered.
In Dublin, Ireland's capital, the city's new website uses the Microsoft platform to provide online services to citizens, but also enables them to have a personal website and email address of their own at the city. This allows them to log in, interact, and create their own sub-sites to share local information or news items. This transition to Web 2.0 will allow government services to become much richer and more interactive.
So this move towards Government 2.0 is driven by an increasing demand to be able to do stuff much more effectively on the phone or via the web or whatever channel the citizen chooses. So it's a much more than simply the process of reporting faults or complaining. It's also about joining up and participative government.
There has never been a better time for local and regional governments to take bold, innovative decisions to reorganise what they do around the needs of citizens and other customers. And so from this point of view, this is also an idea whose time has come and should be seized.